To connect your Edpuzzle account to Schoology, first open your class and go up to the 4 boxes in the top of your page. Select App Center. The App Center is a great way to find lots of resources that you can add onto your Schoology page. Today we're going to find Edpuzzle. Select Edpuzzle and choose Install LTI. Agree to the terms as they've already been approved by the district. Now you should see all of the classes that you're enrolled in. Select the class and course admins only and install. You may install as many classes as you would like. Now when I return to my Schoology page, if I go to the bottom left-hand side, I see Edpuzzle listed here under PowerSchool. When I select Edpuzzle, it may ask me to log in. After I've logged in and verified my Microsoft credentials, I can see my classes right here. I also have my assignments and any videos that I've created listed right in front of me. Now that I've connected my Edpuzzle account to my Schoology account, I can see assignments that are pending to grade, things that are completed, which class members are listed in each section, and even my gradebook. I have a link that I can download the gradebook if I need to. This should automatically dump your grades into your Schoology gradebook. If it does not, please contact us via a help desk ticket.